We are going to show the working principle of the induction cooker. A coil is placed on a retort stand. It is connected to an AC power supply. Put an aluminium ring through the stand and rest it on the coil. Switch on the AC power supply. Why does the ring float in mid-air? If we press the ring towards the coil, the ring will get warm very rapidly. This is due to the induced currents flowing within the ring. Such currents are called eddy currents. The same principle is applied in induction cookers. The induction cooker heats up the metal pot without any flame. It merely uses the heating effect of the current. Metal cookware should be used for an induction cooker. If a glass beaker is used instead, the water will not be heated. Why?